Hey, so we have another which is bigger problem on the board. I'm going to be comparing 2 to the 99th versus 9999 squared. I think where I want to start, this number here is going to be really close to, what's that, 10,000. So we can say that 10,000 is greater than 9999. And this number is 10 to the 4th. So then but what we really want is we want the square of that. And the square of that is greater than that. So this is actually going to be 10 to the 8th. So what we'll do is we'll work with 10 to the 8th for our number on the right. And we're just saying that 10 to the 8th is greater than 999 squared. Now next, let's look at our 2 to the 99th. And what I can do there, now we could go through all the powers of 2, but we want to, because we're dealing with something base 10, the thing that jumps to mind is we know that 2 to the 10th is equal to 1024. And so let's use that, and what we'll do is we'll say that number is greater than 1,000. Unfortunately, it's not 10,000, so we can't quite equate to that. But this number is 10 cubed. If we're saying that 2 to the 10th is greater than 10 cubed, maybe let's not even worry about 2 to the 9th. Let's do this. Let's raise each side to the 9th. Okay, so this is going to be 10 to the 27th. This is going to be 2 to the 90th. And so, but 10 to the 27th is clearly larger than 10 to the 8th, right? That's way larger. And 10 to the 8th is larger than 999 squared. So right from this, without even going all the way to 99, we can see that 2 to the 90th is actually way larger than 99 squared. And then we also know, I ran out of space, but obviously 2 to the 99th is greater than 2 to the 90th. So I think that there's actually a moral behind this problem, and it's that 2 to the 99th is actually way bigger, and it's pretty easy to see because the real thing is right here, this isn't even close. So I don't know, probably a better problem would be something like 2 to the 99 versus, I don't know, what would happen if it was, that's a good problem. How long does that need to be for this problem to get interesting, or for it to be the other way? I think maybe that'll be the question for the next video.